Are you in the pharmaceutical industry aiming to streamline your drug manufacturing process? Well then, let me share something that might just pique your interest. At Tapemark, the game is changing in pharma manufacturing, and here's how. Imagine a scenario where every step of your drug production, from the initial blending to the final shipping, is handled with unmatched precision. That's what Tapemark is offering. With their extensive experience in contract manufacturing and development, they've become a vital partner for large pharmaceutical companies. Why? Because they fill crucial capacity and expertise gaps that are often challenging for big pharma to handle alone. This strategic partnership is not just about filling voids, it's about enhancing the entire manufacturing process. Let's dive deeper. Tapemark specializes in several key areas: blending, coating, serialization, and yes, shipping. Each of these stages is crucial for ensuring your product meets the highest standards of quality and safety before it ever reaches a patient. But perhaps you're wondering, what makes Tapemark stand out? It's their commitment to speeding up your drug's journey to the market while simultaneously managing costs, risks, development, quality control, and regulatory compliance. This comprehensive approach is what sets them apart and why many in the industry are turning to them for long-term partnerships. So, if you're part of a pharmaceutical company looking for a reliable manufacturing partner, Tapemark might just be the solution you need. With their operational know-how and development expertise, they're not just another contractor. They are partners in your journey to excellence and client satisfaction. Interested in starting a project with Tapemark? They're just a call away. Partnering with them means ensuring every aspect of your drug production is managed with the utmost care. Because in the world of pharmaceuticals, it's not just about making drugs, it's about making them right. And with Tapemark, you're on the right path. Thank you for listening, and remember, in the rapidly evolving field of pharma manufacturing, staying ahead means choosing the right partners. Could Tapemark be the partner you've been looking for? Let's find out together.